Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instagram carousel posts, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make an Instagram carousel post for free in your Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an Instagram carousel post anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and Instagram is one of the marketing efforts for your business, you know it's important to increase engagement. And with carousel posts, that can definitely do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Don't worry, you can do this in the free account. There are options for paid carousel posts, but that's up to you depending on what your template preferences are. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It shows all of your recent designs. However, in order to create an Instagram carousel post, you want to click on the search bar here at the top. Once you click there, you want to go ahead and type in Instagram carousel posts. Okay, guys, so once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see this right here, Canva template, and click on see all. All right, guys, so here you're going to see all of the different templates you can use for Instagram carousel posts. So you can see these are really quite creative. So most of these are going to be free. However, if you see a dollar sign or a crown in the bottom right, those are going to be paid features. But if you simply want to go ahead and use the free options, you can click right here on all filters. And once you do that, go ahead and scroll down and then click on free and then click on apply. Okay, guys, so here are all of the free Canva Instagram carousel posts. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one kind of fits your brand. Many of these you're going to be able to change the colors around, so don't worry too much about that. So for me, this one looks pretty cool right here. So let me go ahead and click on here. Okay, so yeah, that looks pretty nice. And the nice thing about Canva is if you choose a template like this one, it's going to show you related templates. So sometimes you can find a better one if you scroll down just a little bit. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and you want to click on customize this template. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you here into the Instagram carousel post editor. So you can see you just have the one page right here on this particular template, and that's okay. So it's just like setting up a Facebook page. You can easily just click over any one of these items, and then you can change it around. So for example, if we have 5 useful new tools, we can go ahead and just double click on it. And then maybe we're going to go ahead and just do 3. Okay, so I updated that to 3. And let's see, for video editors, let's go ahead and change that to influencers. All right, so now you can see it's a little too wide. So what we can do is up here on the top, we're going to highlight all the letters, and then we're going to go ahead and just make them a little smaller so it fits in. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, so that looks good. So instead of useful, maybe we'll go ahead and change this to cool. Okay, 3 cool new tools for video influencers. All right, and then it already has this swipe right, or maybe we can go ahead and make that just a little bit bigger, swipe right. And then we can go ahead and grab these boxes and kind of move them around also. All right, so that looks good. And then what we're going to do is going to go ahead and add another page. But if you add another page, as you see right here, it's going to be blank. So rather than doing that, let me go ahead and delete that page. You can go ahead and hover over this one and then click on duplicate page. So now we have all that set up again, and we can just edit this. So we can maybe do this one, and then we'll go ahead and change this. Chat GPT, free, easy to use. And then same thing, it's a little too big. So go ahead and shrink that down, and then we'll just do new. Okay, so that's the first one. So we'll do 1, and then we'll just keep going, adding in. Now, if there's other features in this that you want to show up, you can go ahead and click over here to elements, and then you can kind of just add different elements in. So if we scroll down and let's see here, well, this person's working on a computer, a little sticker. So maybe we want that in our Instagram carousel post. We can just grab it and just drag it right on over. So you can see that person is just way too big for that post. So we can grab the white dot and shrink it down and then move it to where we see fit. Let's see here. I'm going to shrink him down really small, and we'll put him right down there in the corner, and we'll move him over a little bit. So that looks good. And then maybe up here, we want to brand this with our picture. So if you want to do that, over here on the left, click on upload, and then you want to go ahead and upload a picture from your computer. Once you upload it from your computer, it's going to be dropped into your Canva storage right down here. So you can see I have these 2 pictures. And then what we can do is we can just grab the picture and just drag him right on over, and we'll put myself right up there on the top corner. And then it looks kind of weird, so it's kind of big. So I'll just shrink myself down and put myself right up here in the corner. Now, if you want to have a little bit more form, it's kind of weird with the square, we'll go ahead and just delete me. And then if we go up here to elements, and then we just scroll down until you see framed. So this will make it look a little bit more uniform. So maybe this guy right here. So we'll just drag this frame over into the same area, right? And it's still a little too big, so we'll just shrink it down. Okay, so that looks better. And then what we can do is we can go back here to upload, and we can just drag my picture right in here. And you can see it just resizes automatically and puts me into that little box. And that looks a little bit more uniform. So as you can see, we now have our Instagram carousel post almost put together. Of course, you're definitely going to want to keep adding in pages. You can add 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're ready, what you want to do is up here on the top, usually I'll rename this. So Instagram carousel of Anthony. Okay. And now we just need to download it to our computer. So I'll click right here on share. All right. Once you click on share, you want to click on this button here, download. Okay. Once you click on download, change the file type. So you can change to JPG or PNG. So I'll just do a JPG, and then you just want to download. Okay, it's downloading right now. All right, so it's opened in a zip file. Let me go ahead and open up the zip file. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the zip file. You can see right here. So now we can go ahead and just share these to our phone and upload them through Instagram, unless you're using some other device. And here's the first one and the first one, swipe file right there. And then we would just place them in order in our Instagram account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an Instagram carousel post in your Canva for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.